everyone, my name is Toshiga. Today I'm going to show you how to sharpen the electrode. First we take the handpiece out, pull the argon nozzle and open the collet and take the electrode out. For the next step you have got two options. If you have got this diamond disc, you need a micromotor. But today I'm going to show you how to sharpen the electrode with the optional grinding motor from Lampert. The grinding motor has got 4 holes on the side with different sizes in the correct angle to sharpen the electrode. We have got 1.0, so we put our electrode through the hole. Here's a button you have just to push and it will start. You turn the electrode left and right until it's sharpened and you are done. If you want to know how to change the electrode in a different diameter size, then click on the link in the description down below.